Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a bar chart out of a dataset. In the last video I have shown how to create a pie chart. In the pie chart I have shown just only one attribute, but in bar chart I took two attributes which is population and density per square kilometer. Let's select the whole dataset and let's see how does it look like in the bar chart. Once we selected the data, click on the insert option on the top left and then recommended charts. In the first one, which is clustered column, it is just back. So first column is population and then second one is density, which is colored in different. I do not want to take this clustered column, and then let's see what is the next. Next could be a stacked column, but it is also the same. Let's take the different one from all charts. I would like to take the combo of both population and density. Once I click the combo option, then I can see how does it look like in clustered column line. So here you can see that secondary axis, click one of the either and then just to make sure that all the attributes are shown or the levels are shown in the bar chart. Click OK, and then we got our bar chart. On the right side I can see some numbers. So this is basically population of those countries, and similarly on the left side the numbers are shown for density per square kilometer in these countries. Now I would like to change the title of the chart, which is population per kilometer square, let's say. Now I'd like to see the levels of those countries, both the population and density. So first click on the column. Now right click, then add data levels. Okay, I can see the data. And then for the density, now I'll click the line, then right click, then add data level. Now I can see the data level as well. To separate both population and density level in the chart, I would like to just keep it different. So select the density population and then Control B, just make it bold, and then I can separate it from the whole population in the bar chart. So this is how we can create a bar chart. Thank you.